Hi guys, today we are going to review Huawei P60 and there are many interesting things about it, so let's start with the unboxing. Just after unbox you will see Huawei smartphone. You know guys, this smartphone first look is very beautiful, it is so much amazing. We will discuss it later, keep aside for a while. Then there is another box which includes some documents, back case, and then there is one big 66 watt USB type A charger and a USB type A to type C cable. This was box content. Now let's start with smartphone design. It is a punch hole type curved display from the front. Now moving towards sides, at the bottom there is type C port, speaker grill, primary mic and SIM tray as well. Power button and volume rockers on the right side. Left side is totally empty and at the top there is secondary mic and secondary speaker grill as well. Coming to the back, there is one big camera ring and two camera sensors as well, and at the bottom there is Huawei branding. So overall back is curved and it is made by glass material. And talking about in hand feel, its thickness is around about 8.3 mm and weight is 200 grams. So overall your in hand feel is going to be very comfortable. So overall this design is very beautiful. It includes IP68 dust and water resistance as well, so you can say it is value for money. Let's move toward Huawei P60 display. Here you will find 6.6 inches 1.5K resolution LTPO OLED panel. Here display bezels are very thin. You will find 89% screen to body ratio with this 120Hz refresh rate as well, that will smooth your user experience. So overall display is fun, but I think there should be 2K resolution because there are smartphones that is giving you 2K resolution in this price range. Let's take a look at performance as well. Here you will find Harmony OS 3.1 in China and EMUI in Europe that is not going to support Google Play services. About chipset, you will find Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset that is based on 4nm technology and 3.0 GHz clock speed and Adreno 730 GPU as well. So overall performance is not up to mark. It is a 4G chipset that is not value for money. Let's discuss main part of Huawei P60, that is camera. You will find triple camera system at the back, 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel telephoto lens and 13 megapixel ultra wide as well. These cameras support HDR, panorama as well, and at the main camera there is optical image stabilization as well. Moving to the front, there is 13 megapixel selfie camera and from back and front both you can record 4K. Now discuss connectivity as well. Here you will find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, infrared port and stereo speakers as well, but you will not find radio and 3.5mm jack. Talking about last part of Huawei P60 battery, here you will find 4800 mAh battery that supports 66 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging as well. If we conclude our complete review, this smartphone design and camera is very good, but in this price range you can check out OnePlus 11 as well, that is giving you good display, and Vivo X90 as well, that is giving you very good performance. And at the last, please don't forget to press the subscribe and like button.